Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating numbers, and in today's class we will learn about square root method. Square root method is pretty useful in several mathematical expressions or equations, including binomial theorem. We find the square root when we are using Pythagorean theorem. I can see numerous uses of it, and I'm sure you can think of many. Now, in order to find the square root, Java provides you a method called math.squareroot. Again, math is part of java.lang library, so don't forget to import it before you use. As usual, this function also takes just one parameter. You say math.sqrt, which is a short form for square root, and you pass the number you want. If I pass 25, this is going to return me 5. Actually, it will return me 5.0. It's a double number. So if I say double, z equal to z will become 5.0. That's how this works. Now, there is a hack or trick you can do it. If you don't use square root, I can think of another way of doing it using the power. Now, square root is also a power of half, right? So if I say square root of 25, this same can be written as 25 power of half. That means I can use power functions. I can say 25, which is my base number. I can say 0.5, and this will also give me the same value that square root does. Just a quick trick. Hope you like it. That's all in today's class. Again, I'll talk about in the next class. I will talk about typecasting. Very, very important concept. Don't forget to practice. I'll see you guys in the next class again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.